3 tricks to spice up your iMessages on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. 1. Using reactions in iMessage. Hold down the message bubble and your reactions toolbar will appear. Use your finger to scroll from right to left. There are even more emojis, and you can even use the emoji keyboard to add any emoji you would like as a reaction. If you'd like to remove your reaction, simply hold down and deselect by hitting the emoji again. 2. Creating a genmoji. Select my message and then select the smiley face on the bottom left-hand corner. Select this rainbow plus smiley face. Select continue since this is the first time I'm using it. Describe the emoji I am looking for. When I'm ready, I'm going to select done. From here, I have a few rainbow dogs I can select from. I'm going to select this one. Now this has been added to my emoji keyboard. 3. Formatting your iMessage. Hold down on the blue arrow. You can slam it. You could even use invisible ink and they wouldn't be able to see it until they tapped on the message. Notice at the bottom there's these circles. You can swipe over to find different message effects. When you're ready to send it with these effects, you select the blue arrow. The other way to format messages is to select the A above the keyboard. From here, you can boldface, italic, underline, or even strike through. You can create this ripple, bloom, nod, small. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Being Classy on social media. I'll catch you in the next video.